Hi, my name is Graham Immerman. I'm the VP Marketing here at MachineMetrics, the operating system for the connected factory. For most manufacturers, continuous improvement starts with capturing insights from the heart of manufacturing operations, specifically the machine assets that make things and the people who run these machines. Modern machines produce thousands of data points every millisecond, all of which tell a story of what happened, what's happening, and what's going to happen next. Yet, this data is rarely being captured or analyzed to drive business decisions because, well, until recently, it has been far too difficult to do so, leaving most manufacturers in a state of reactivity. Today is a once-in-a-generation opportunity for manufacturers to capitalize on the reorganization of the global supply chain. So there's never been a more important time to be as efficient as possible by reducing the burden of non-essential manual tasks and decision-making via digital transformation, and manufacturers need the correct tools to do it quickly. At MachineMetrics, our goal was to make this easy. By automating machine data collection and transformation, MachineMetrics has quickly become the leading platform for manufacturers to collect, manage, analyze, and take action on their manufacturing equipment data, providing a complete toolkit to drive actionable insights for frontline workers and other factory floor systems to improve the efficiency and quality of their production. And today, hundreds of manufacturers around the globe have connected thousands of machines to MachineMetrics to monitor their productivity, identify production bottlenecks, predict machine failures, and automate workflows around the operation of manufacturing equipment. To learn more about how your organization can utilize MachineMetrics, check us out at MachineMetrics.com, and I look forward to staying connected with all of you.